STILLEN has been working with twin-turbo V6 engines for over a decade and was excited to apply our knowledge towards the development of a cat-back exhaust for the twin-turbo V6 Kia Stinger GT. Founder Steve Millen's legacy of racing has led the way in every aspect of the STILLEN business model. STILLEN has learned that no matter the sophistication of software used to develop a performance product, there is no substitute for real-world product validation through a regimen of modification and testing. Kyle Millen tells us why STILLEN has decided to manufacture a cat-back exhaust for the new Kia Stinger.
When the Kia Stinger was released, the team here at STILLEN were just very excited to get our hands on a vehicle platform that we know very well. A V6 3+ liter twin turbo motor is right up our wheelhouse, something we have literally decades of experience in tuning. The Kia Stinger exhaust was a very exciting project for the team here at STILLEN. We started off by testing a few different configurations of exhaust tubing to see which one produced the most power. We tried true dual exhaust, an X-pipe, and an H-pipe. The end result was that the X-pipe produced the best horsepower and torque through the entire power band. Developing an exhaust system like an X-pipe for the Kia Stinger GT is challenging because you have to not only play with the diameter of the tube, but you also want to play with the type of merge that you put in order to make sure that the exhaust gas flows properly. So we tried multiple different sizes of exhaust tubing. We also played with how much of a merge we integrated into the design of the X-pipe. Once we knew which combination made the best power and torque, the team started looking at sound. The Kia Stinger presents a very interesting challenge. With the roofline of the vehicle carrying all the way to the rear of the bumper, it basically creates a drum effect inside the cabin of the vehicle. This amplifies the sound of the exhaust system and can cause a drone. Our team worked very hard to combat this drone and tried multiple different types of mufflers. We tried a traditional chambered muffler. We tried a packed muffler. In the end, we threw them all away and we developed our own unique hybrid chambered and packed muffler to produce the best sound and yet still retain a good, nice driving interior cabin noise. The Kia Stinger comes with a dynamic control system where you can actually control the sound of the exhaust. Even with that shut off completely, gives a very exciting and rewarding sound that you're sure to love for miles to come.
Through STILLEN's methodical dyno and performance testing, STILLEN has been able to produce a cat-back exhaust system for the Kia Stinger that makes impressive gains of 30 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 30 additional foot-pounds of torque at 3,500 RPM. Choose a STILLEN Cat-Back exhaust system for your Kia Stinger GT and be rewarded with exciting performance gains and the satisfaction of owning a quality product designed, engineered, and manufactured in America.